If you have a passion for all things mystical, you will love The Magic of Tarot by authors Leanna and Beleta Greenaway. This teaching manual is like no other and uses 2 decks, the Rider-Waite and the One World Tarot. Whether you want to learn traditional tarot or study the modern interpretations of the cards, the Greenaways offer complete, detailed explanations, key points to help you memorize the meanings, and even card grouping exercises to complete. They cover endless situations you might face as a reader, such as romance, marriage, affairs, health, careers, children, and so much more. This book doesn't just stop at learning how to read the cards. Leanna and Beleta have written numerous case studies and offer information on dealing with all kinds of clientele. You will learn how to house and care for your tarot, communicate with your spirit helpers so you can embrace your psychic abilities, and even remove unwanted energetic vibes from your home once the reading is over. Learn everything there is to know about this ancient art, from reading for family and friends to embracing tarot as a business. This easy-to-understand, step-by-step guide is invaluable and will take your card reading skills to the next level. The Magic of Tarot is available for purchase on Amazon and all good bookshops. Begin your journey today.